is Judit and I'm from Superwoman Pole Dancing School. And today I will show you how to make the Balerina Spin. The Ballerina, it could be a position as well on the static pole. However, on spinning pole, it looks much better. To start with this move, we have to make sure you have enough flexibility in your shoulder area. So please do your warm up now. Whenever you're done, come back, and here we go. We start to stretch into this spin. First, bring your inside arm up high. Let's see how to get into the position. So then I keep it in a normal grip, then I walk in front of the pole, keeping my hand in the same position, slide up. This is not good. Up here, then from there I walk on the other side of the pole, keeping both shoulders on the same side of the pole. This is not good. Here we go, this hand, inside hand comes down. From here, just stay there for a few moments just to see how comfortable it is. If it's extremely painful here, then just stay here and stretch. Trust me, after a few tries, it will ease up a little bit and it's going to be more comfortable. So then you just have to build up your flexibility. So you've done one side, then you come on the other side. Train both of your sides. So here we go. If you felt it's okay, then come around and then try to push your bum up. So you create space here between you and the pole. And then from there, I will lift my inside leg up, bring it around and hook it in front of the pole. There we go. So this is the move. You could feel quite a strong, deep stretch here. That's okay. Again, if it's too painful, just don't do it. It's enough if you just try to stay here. From there, if you feel it's okay, I feel that because I've practiced it so many times, then you try to take off the weight of the outside leg and then you could lift it up here. This is the Ballerina. So there we go. Once you mastered this move on the static pole, let's learn how to spin into the move. So for the spin, you have to know a reverse grab spin. So this is the reverse grab spin. Up, twist. Exactly the same grip as in the Ballerina. I will show you from the other side. Other hand comes down here, fingers down. Right? So from here, walk around, this hand goes down, fingers facing down. Then the same leg as the hand up, you need to push it on the other side because we will need to create big momentum. So you push out to the left if it's your right hand, and then circle it around and try to touch the same leg with the other leg. So here we go. This is the reverse grab on spinning pole. There is a version on static as well. It looks a little bit different. So once you feel you mastered that move, then there is only one thing you have to do. You try to push your bum up and lift it behind the pole to create that space to lift the inside leg around. Remember, it's this move. This. So let's get into the position. It's twisted grip, reverse grip, around, push your bum up, inside leg comes around and hook. To make it faster, bring the leg in. If you want to slow it down, push it back up. You can also take off this leg. To come out of the move, you can bring the knees together, and here we go, you just turn around. There is also another version to come out of the spin. If you push down the leg, which is on the pole, then it will turn you around automatically because the pole spins. I'll show you. So then, this leg down, turn around. So here we go, this was the Ballerina. Make sure you practice it on the left hand side as well. So here we go, this is the left, all on your other side, not the dominant side. As you see, it's usually not as great on both sides, but with a little bit of practice you can make it happen. Thanks for watching. See you later, guys.